So, how often should a typical family review their life insurance and beneficiary designations to make sure everything still lines up with their wishes?
Our recommendation is typically every 3 to 5 years. Review your documents every 3 to 5 years. This is your life insurance policy, your estate plan, power of attorneys, healthcare decisions. Make sure that your beneficiaries and your life insurance policies, your wills, your trusts, those are still up to date. 3 to 5 years is a good regular checkup, but it's sort of like going to the doctor, right? You should go to the doctor every year, but every time you feel something is up with you, you should probably also go to the doctor. I say that because every situation in your life that there is a significant change, you should go back to your documents and look at them. For example, like I was saying earlier, you just got a job, you had no family, you weren't married, and then you get married. You should go back, check out your life insurance policy, your beneficiaries in your trust, your will, see if that's still the same. If you have loved ones who have passed away, you should go and review your documents. If you start having children, you should go and review your documents. If for some reason your marriage doesn't go so well, and you decide to divorce, check your documents because you probably don't want your spouse, your ex-spouse, to acquire your assets at this point. So every significant stage in your life, you should be reviewing your documents. So, like I said, it's sort of like a doctor's visit. Go every year, but if you're feeling something is up, go check it out. Go check it out.
Yes, yes. And you know what? I do want to say, because I've insured a couple of people diagnosed with diabetes. And if your health status improves when you do go visit your physician, your healthcare team annually, and you get your blood checked, you are able to get a more affordable rate class. So you can actually go back to your insurance carrier, present these laboratory values, and you can negotiate a more affordable rate class. So, a little tip
Absolutely.
there.
And I think that analogy applies well with the law too, because if, let's say, you created your plan in 2019 and there weren't tax benefits then that you can apply now in your trust, you can now add them to your trust and you can get those tax benefits, right? The law changes just as much as we change, right? So, like you said, you go back to the doctor and something changes, something that wasn't there before that could benefit you is available, then as attorneys, our job is to provide that information for you to benefit yourself from you, make sure that your estate plan is benefiting you with the best um, possible outcome.
Yes, love it. Let's move on to question 4.